Oliver here from the Hooked Camper YouTube channel, and today we thought we were going fishing, but we ended up petting a bunch of cute animals, exploring Deep Cove in North Vancouver, and eating some great food. Come along for the journey. Well, there's $200 worth of stuff. So for the last 2 days, I've been trying to obtain a fishing license, and for the last 2 days, the Fisheries Canada licensing has been down for maintenance. So I figured we'd go to Maplewood Farms instead today. So Maplewood Farm was operating as a farm from 1924 to 1975, and then in 1975 it opened as Maplewood Farm, open to visitors. Alright, we picked up some bird seed, and we're just at the entrance. It's pinching me. This is the potbelly pig pen. Look at him. Hey. So there's quail and pheasant in this pen. If you can see him. What up, gang? I don't know if you can see, but this cow only has one eye. And her name's Judy, and it's because she had cancer. Little rabbit. Some sheep. This guy's sunbaking. Nice beard. Hey buddy, are you gonna bite me? So fluffy. So spongy. Scratches. Hello? They're so small. This guy is snoozing. Her name's Hickory. How cute. Oh, hello. Oh, can't eat my shirt.
I love you.
Oh. There's no. This guy's chilling.
Donkey! Donkey? Donkey!
Oh. Hello. Hello. Chloe. Meet Chloe. Hello. It's like big and small. Whoa. Break it up, guys. Oh. Hello.
Hey, Joe.
Is that good? This is Ash. And this is Cypress. We're just chilling. Hey? Oh. Got this awesome lake here as well, beside all the animal pens. Look at this horse. And this is Snickle, Fritz, and Frodo. For now, we're probably just going to go pick up some sushi and then head to the waterfront.
Then your destination.
So good. Oh yeah. So in a day or two, they're about to start filming Remarkably Bright Creatures with Sally Field, also known as Aunt May from The Amazing Spider-Man. That Japanese food was incredible, but I think it's time for some dessert. What do you want to get? Got the goods, folks. Oh yeah. Very good. Not too sweet. Peach mango. Yeah. Something's eating a crab. Even though today didn't turn out how we thought it was going to, it was still heaps of fun. We hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We put up a new video every Saturday morning, so I'll see you next week.